Hello everybody, my name is Anya Turos. In this opportunity, I'll talk about global education for Colombia. Over the past, the Colombian education system has undergone a fundamental transformation. The most visible outcome is in the expansion of asset at all levels as a result of ambitious policies to take barriers to enrollment and bring education service to every corner of the country. An increasing focus on learning outcomes has resulted in important reforms to professionalize the teaching workforce and introduce measure or performance across the system. Let's talk about the teacher empowerment and further efforts to improve quality and equity are essential if Colombia is to reach its goal of being the most educated country to the year 2025. Let's talk about the Colombia have changed in the educational system. The author of the two units of Colombian education instead of the need for an equitable plan for the improvement and language teaching and learning in Colombia in a way that considers local properties of economic development and respect local knowledge and culture, and account for a systematic and fundamental improvement of the public system, because in Colombia the public education is for a level of economy, and the public system is have dissimilar conditions that affect schools, teachers, and students in both of the private and the public sector of the country. For this time, I believe that much more must be done in the pedagogical aspect of teachers, as well as improve their salary conditions. Just innovating and attracting students through new technology is a good option with iPads, iPhones, cell phones, and smartphones, but is in a challenge for today's teacher. All these ideas bring the teacher should approach the interests of students with formal by tests such as music, sport, and this create new pedagogies. Similarly, technology is an excellent way to learn.